Hello guys, today's video we are talking about B-Boss, powers, abilities and origin. So without getting late, let's get start the video. B-Boss is a fictional character and entity of the world. He was created by fan-made concept. B-Boss was a mecha dinosaur that related to T-Rex, Giganotosaurus and Carcharodontosaurus relation, and sometimes related Gorosaurus. And he was very bulkier and powerful, and creating mecha components like missile launching energy ray. There's six. They can shoot energy rays that can deflect energy and vaporize them unit. High laser. He was the powerful weapon that he shoot. Everything gets done, and this eye laser can paralyze their enemy and destroy their heart. And sometimes he can vanish them. And his powerful attack is mouth beam. He was very powerful that gave lethal damage. And this damage was very insane. Yet he was very hotter than sun. And this structure have a 3 different plasma emitter that he shoot enemy get destroyed, and he have flight and pyrokinesis power and many turbines. He shoot rocket fires, machine gun powers, DHH able rocketeer hand and structure, and powerful energy spikes attack, energy consumption and energy manipulation. That makes it a powerful entity, and he can regenerate them. So that's all. If you like, watch until the end. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.